watering your garden during the hot and dry summer months is a problem, you might consider a drought-tolerant garden next year. Drought-tolerant landscapes, also known as xeriscapes, feature plants that need little water. In this video, we'll show you how to make a xeriscape garden. We're getting rid of the sparsely growing lawn in this Mississippi front yard. First, to prepare the planting bed, herbicide is applied to the turf. A few inches of topsoil is added to improve the soil bed, and the area is heavily mulched. Mulching will also help retain soil moisture. The new garden bed is now ready to plant with drought and sun-tolerant plants. 15 different plant types were chosen to provide a variety of flowering times and foliage types. As you can see, these plants are placed in groups with contrasting leaf shapes and heights. Here are just a few of the drought-tolerant plants used in this garden that are available at most plant outlets. Rosemary, the same type used in cooking, is an excellent low evergreen shrub that takes the sun in dry conditions. Daylilies are summer bloomers that store water in their root systems that make this a very resilient plant. Lantana is a long summer bloomer that can really beat the heat. Perennial verbena comes in a wealth of colors and is great to attract butterflies. Grasses, such as this fountain grass, are a nice addition to the drought-tolerant garden with their feathery texture. And there are many more great dry-loving plants to choose from. We hope this will get you started to work on your own xeriscape garden. For more information on plants and drought-tolerant gardens, visit the Water Conservation page at our MSU Extension Smart Landscapes website.